Father, Dr. Snyder has finished her analysis of the Shiva Prime data.
Can you summarize her findings?
The technology we discovered earlier is an advanced propulsion system that is well beyond our own capabilities.
I see.
Her current theory is that it allows Shiva to travel great distances in a very short amount of time.
That is most fascinating. However, I have made a breakthrough of my own. I have discovered how Shiva Prime operates. As we know, Shiva Prime is an advanced terraformer, a planetary eco-synthesizer. My current theory, which is supported by Dr. Snyder's findings, is that the eco-synthesizer traveled between systems creating habitable planets.
What makes it more advanced than our terraformers?
Ours work very slowly and only on certain classes of planets. This technology can make any planet in the universe habitable, assuming it has a nearby sun.
I didn't realize the Seraphim had this kind of technology.
Shiva Prime has existed for much, much longer than the Seraphim.
So who or what created the terraformer in the first place?
Chicken egg, my child, chicken egg. Speaking of which, I heard this interesting story.
Father, I'm picking up another commander.
It would appear you have an unwelcome guest from Altair 2. You should leave, quickly. This is not a good sign, my child. Not a good sign at all.
Who's come through the gate? UEF or Illuminate?
Neither, I'm afraid. It is Commander Gage, a former child of the Cybran nation who disconnected himself from the node many years ago.
I will prepare for combat.
No, my child. I must first secure the findings from our research on the planetary eco-synthesizer. I need you to protect the proto-brain complex while I download all of its data. Upon the completion of the download, I will initiate a self-destruct sequence on the site. It is approximately 637 zettabytes of data and will take some time. I may need to free up some space on my server. Oh, yes.
Download initiated.
It would be a good idea to deploy some shield structures to protect the site while I retrieve the data.
New research options are available. Download is 5% completed.
If it isn't Ivan Brackman. I remember when you were a small gelatinous blob in one of your father's exo-wounds.
Ignore this troubled Cybran, my child.
Download is 25% completed.
Ask Dr. Brackman why he banished me from the Cybran Nation.
I do enjoy a good shield. Oh, yes. Be sure to construct them near important structures. The megalith can be constructed at an experimental land factory.
Commander under attack. Download is 50% completed.
Commander Gage is increasing the intensity of his attacks. I believe he will overextend his resources, making him vulnerable to a counterattack.
Commander under
Focus on
attack.
defending the proto-brain, Ivan.
Yes, Father.
Under attack. Commander under attack. Commander under attack. Download is 70% completed. Commander under attack. Commander under attack. Commander under attack. Download is 85% completed. Download is 90% completed. Download is 97% completed. Your download has completed.
The download has completed. Exit through the gate as quickly as possible while I initiate the self-destruct sequence on the base.
Father, I should stay
Commander
and
under
fight.
attack.
Trust me, my child. Your time will come. Now is not that time. We will return shortly with additional forces.
I have ample mass deposits.
Ivan, enough of this talk. You're not ready.
As you wish, Father.
You must exit through the teleporter immediately.
The gate is charging.
I have initiated the self-destruct sequence of the base, and will destroy the gate after you have passed through, so Commander Gage will be unable to follow.
What next, Father?
I have received a distress call from Dr. Snyder. We must make our way to her facility. It will take a few jumps to get there.
Operation completed.